Follow along to create this easy piece of fall decor. You need candy corn, a styrofoam wreath, black paint, a foam brush, a hot glue gun, and some tulle. Start by painting the wreath black. Start gluing the candy corn onto the wreath. You will get better results if you hold the candy corn piece in place until it dries. You can cover the entire wreath or just a portion if you wish. To preserve your wreath, you can brush it with clear sealant like Mod Podge, which should help keep it looking fresh. Loop some tulle through the middle of the wreath to act as a hook. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.